I'm opening Google Meet on my smartphone, and now I'm just creating an instant meeting. You can also join in a Google Meet. Once you are in a Google Meet, all you have to need to share your phone screen, tap this three dot and select here screen share option, and here share your screen, tap on continue and choose an app, which app you want to share in your Google Meet. You can also select share entire screen and tap on share screen. That's it. As you can see, my entire screen now sharing on Google Meet. Now you can just minimize the Meet and you can do whatever you want with your phone, and your phone entire screen is now streaming on your Google Meet. To stop stream, you can just tap this Google Meet icon here and tap on stop screen sharing, and your screen sharing will be stopped.